Subscribe now. Just watch when you like my videos every day. My name is Mariam, and I'm going to show you how I play with my toys. Look. Mommy, it's morning. Oh, is it morning? Yeah, I see the chicken side opening me and my eyes. Okay, time to get up. Get up, get up. Okay, Mommy. You finished the beds. Okay. Well, you will stay out like that, and I will blink into this to be good. I'm like in a square shape. There you go. This side. There you go. It's all done. Now I'm gonna put in. Okay, dressed up quickly. You dressed up quickly too. Okay, come on. I will wear my little t-shirt. Twinkle sparkly t-shirt. Well, since I wear this at the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Monday, so I should wear this dress because it's for cafeterias. I like it. Oops, it's my pants in. Let me take it. And now let me wear it. Mommy, I chose on my outfit. This one, please. Okay, that's Monday. You wear it. I'll stand on this since I don't got any place left. All right, be tight and you will be done. Hold your arms. Go take the lampers. Don't go make your arms. All right, there you go. You're all done. Just let me simply your outfits, and I will wake up even your rainbow dash. Okay, Mommy. Well, I may wear my shoes. Okay. Well, rainbow dash, wake up. I'm ready. I'm ready. Rainbow dash, you're ready? Yes, I'm ready. Well, when you eat the lunch too, and when we brush our teeth and do anything, we got a guest coming. My friend guest. Yes, he can talk with you. Yes, my friend guest. Well, now we're gonna go in 30 seconds on the pool. Okay, Mommy, well, I may wear shoes. Hey, do wait to me, Mommy. I'll wear them. Okay, so I'll wait. I can wait patiently since I know it. Rainbow dash, go there. Yay! Since it's Tuesday, it's gonna be rain. So let me take boots. They're cute and snuggly. They feel perfect to me. There you go. Let me put this back on his place. And Mommy, I'm worried. Mommy, I got my boots on. Oops, let me fix this to the back side. And Mommy, I'm finished. How do you look at my new little outfit? It's pretty and cool. Yay, pretty cool. Well, Mommy, don't we gonna eat breakfast? No. First, we're gonna brush our teeth and then eat breakfast. Okay. Well, I'll wait you here while you're gonna brush your teeth. All right, let me comb my hair since it's really messy. Whoa, what mess. Let me comb my hair. Put it. And now, I want to pee to make some. Let me sit. I'm done. Let me get up, and now I'm gonna go. Oops. Mommy, that was an accident. Yes, it was an accident, but don't be afraid. I won't do anymore. Yay! Now it's time for breakfast? Yes. I'm gonna ask Rainbow Dash if he can come down. Rainbow Dash! Yes? Come down. Well, me and my sister are gonna eat food. Well, could you come down? Of course. Rainbow, that's so cool. You're practicing how to fly? Of course my pet is practicing to fly, Mommy. I don't know. I just can't realize how our little pet can know how to do anything. Yeah. So now let's sit and eat breakfast. I'm gonna make my lunch and you can sit. Yay! Let me trip this. Oops, sorry, it's just I'll light this up. There you go. And me and my sister will jump. Stairs. Okay, so now I will make my breakfast and then yours. I always know you need milk. Oh, Mommy. Oh, please. I'm always like. Okay, so Mommy, can you do some for me of them pretty glossy little bottle? Because I need for my milk. It's so glossy and pretty. Okay, sweetie, well, you eat and I'll make some stuff. And yeah, next time I'll win myself. Yeah. Okay, so sit down on the chair. Right here. Sit down on the chair. Okay, Mommy, sit your patient. Die patient. Yeah. Food, please. Okay, sweetie. Take this glossy. And now Mommy wants... Okay, there you go. He also needs the healthy banana I need with my tea. Okay, I think this is enough stuff. Alright, this is the milk. And this is the tea. Let me put it in my side. So this one and on his little one. My little tea to be warm. Okay, Rainbow Dash, you can stay out area of the chair. Okay. I'm in. Go eat your lunch. Okay. I'm in myself. I'm in with myself. Oops, I ruined the area. That's okay, I can fix it. I put it like that. I put this little bottle like this. Stay. And okay, now I will sit patiently because that was not patient to sit. That was a long time. And then I can't do any like that. I think I'll leave this chair lemon to end scent. Sorry, I just wasn't expecting how to sit, and I will eat with my own legs. Alright, so now I will eat patiently. Okay, put it back because I was afraid of again. That was a nice girl. There you go, that's nice and patient. And okay, now I'll drink. I like this, Mommy. You make the bestest milks. I'm done. Whoa, you're so fast, sweetie. Oh, I love my tea too. Well, I get my banana and let me eat it on. Ouch! It's okay, Mommy. You won't get hurt like that, science. Yummy. That banana is so delicious. Let me drink my tea. I'm done too. Well, it's your turn to clean dishes and I will play with my toys. Maybe when I clean the dishes, you can stay at the pool and have some fun while you wear swimsuits. Yeah, Mommy. I'm going to take this and back since I'm not eating now. Alright, let me clean it at the bathroom. Okay, it's clean. It's clean. It's clean. There you go. Now I'll stay for a moment. And you got almost in 30 minutes. Your guest will come and enjoy your pool. Well, you can hold my tablet if you like. Or in the pool, you'll find some accessories and you can play with them. Which one you choose? And stay at the pool. We'll go wear your swimsuits. Okay. There you go. I'm up. Well, Mommy's gonna clean the dishes. And like this. Oops. I want to stay for a moment in the pool. Well, mind mine. Perfect. Well, I will stay for a minute. Well, I will stay here and I'll have good, nice chai. Like that. And I will take a bath for minutes and your friend will be good. Be patient to her, okay? What he says, you need to listen to her. Okay, Mommy. Let me go wear my swimsuits. And I'm also gonna wear my flip-flops for whatever. I need it because... ouch! I'll get back in my place. Let me open my body. Ouch! That was hurty stuff that I messed up now. I was not patient enough too. Mommy, I wasn't enough patient too? What? You was under patient too? Yes, but you under patient will. I'm under patient will. Put my shoes and take off my outfit. There. Leave it here. And I'm gonna wear my little swimsuit. This is what I need. Mommy, could you help me? Of course. Come on, and I'll take your diaper out. Come on. There you go. You're done. Yay! I'm gonna take my flip-flops so I don't get cold in the summer. Let me wear my little flip-floppies. Cute flip-floppies. Those are my morning flip-floppies. Oops. There you go. My flip-floppies are done. Let me go out the pool now. Hello, Rainbow Dash. Would you mind if you will, when I get bored in the pool, sit and you play in the pool? Sure. I always know that you're patient to me. I'll take off my little shoes and I'll leave them there. Okay? Sweetie, if you need something, there's a person ask Rainbow Dash for help. Okay, Mommy. Ouch. Well, I'm impatient, girl. What? I can't be like that. Yeah, I can't be like that. There you go. That's good. Dishes I did. I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna jump in. Whee! Splash, 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 splash. Whee! I'm just gonna relax in the pool. Just let me. I can't almost. My head is out. Mommy, can you help me a bit? Whoa, you're skeletons already? Of course, I got skeletons, so that's why I'm like that. What? Your head is peeling off or peeling down? I don't know why. I'll just put my head on. I relax. Sweetie, I'm gonna take a shower. Right, take off my ninja sandals and hang it. Put it here so I can be good and patient. Inside I go. I'm done. Now I wear my outfit because I take a shower. Lift this a bit so it can be good. Yeah. So now I think the guest is here. In 5 minutes, sweetie, the guest is here. In 5 minutes, yay! You need to be quickly out of the pool, please, out of the pool. I will be here, and no one will see. Okay. I wish I wear my swimsuit. I don't need this yucky swimsuit. Get it off. Get it off. My little on my shoulder. Why am I like this all the times? I need to find my head. Where is it? It's here. There you go. I'm gonna put this outfit because it's dirty and Mommy's gonna wash it and show you what. This baby little Silvertiller to be cute, girl. That'll be cuter. Mommy, I need to take off my hands. There you go. I'm going to put my flip-flops back. I'm going to take my little shoes. Those are the shoes that I need. Okay, there you go. 1 shoe and 2 shoe. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. And the guest is here. Rayodash, be patient. Don't fly and fly everywhere. I'm gonna open the door, guest. Okay. Oh, hi, Nanny. You're so cute and funny. Hi, Annie. Hi, Queensy. I think my mom is supposed to sleep yet. So let's go. Whoa, I want to explore your house. I don't know, and I never come to your house ever. Okay, well, you can explore. So this is where I sleep, the first section. And this is where I wear all my pretty fancy outfits. And this is my lightning. And those are my makeups. And this is where I eat. This is where my mommy takes some stuff. And this is my bathroom. This is shower. This is my corner. And this is my Peter. Okay? So now, what should we do? I think, let me show you my Rayodash. Oh, you're so cute. He's magic. He's magic. He's magic. What? He can fly, and that's why. Whee! What? You can fly? I can't even talk. What? is a really a magic pony. Well, can I jump in the pool? Yes. Yay, that's relaxing. I will jump with you and I'll take my swimsuit. Ugh, my little flip-flops. Put it back. Now, let me take my little rubby to wear my little clothing. Queenie, be patient to her. He's a nice girl and don't ruin his stuff. He doesn't ruin yours. Okay, mermaidy. I'm coming! Let me take off my flip-flops first. And now I'm in. Ouch! I'll get up. Ouch, that was an accident by my little foams. Let me put my little flip-flops on. Yay, splashing! Oh, you're splashing? Yeah, we're splashing together. I think I'm tired. I'll ask Queen Dash to rest me a bit. Okay. Get on. My little flip-flops on. Ugh, my flip-flops are so noisy. There it goes. Where my flip-flop? Oops. What doesn't fit in what you want? Don't fit. Well, Ash, can you rest me a bit? Of course. I'll stay to look on the accessory shelf. Okay, Rainbow Dash. Well, he's a nice parent. You know, ouch! My head, get up. Get it out of me. Let me find my head. Where is it? It's my head. Let me take it. Okay, I'm done. Rainbow Dash, you're looking at pre-accessory shelf to do something? Of course, which accessory shelf? This accessory shelf is pretty that you even don't explode it. And we got a queen pacifier. Yeah. And comb, birthday hat, bow, and every accessory you need. And you even got a tablet. Whoa, that's cool. Well, you got a tablet? It's cool. I'm gonna sit by my... Those flip-flops, they always mess me up. I'm gonna stay and take my other leg. And now I'm gonna sit. Well, it's my trance. Put this. And even, by the way, I'm gonna take off this paper shirt and change my outfit because I'm too funny like this. My hair is out. Where's my head? Is this it? Oh, I'll take it. I'll take those ugly stuffs back in. Back in. Stay in. Okay. The squiggly, wiggly, chuggly on. Will I wear my outfit? This one. Because it's a pretty one that I wear now. Let me unscreen it. There you go. Now, I gotta take my little boots. It's gonna be summer. It's for Lexter. Okay. Just, yeah. All the days on my lives are cool, all the days, you know. Let me wear my little boots. They can't fit me. That's impossible to not fit my boots. They're pretty good. They miss me too. Let me take this. There you go. I'm done to sit. Yeah. Now I'm relaxing out. Oh, a rainbow dash. Mariana, what did you know what you're looking at? Just this accessory shelf. Look. I want the tablet to hold in my hand. And even, by the way, I gotta ask now, see if you can get me his tablet. For a bit moments. Mermaidy. Yes. Queenie. Wait, why are you calling me Queenie? I'm Bluey. I'm Starry. Can I have your tablet? Of course, you can have my tablet. Wait, a tablet? Mine? Yes. Yeah, you can have it a bit more. It's about 5 minutes. Oh yeah. Beep 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 beep. I think it's done. Whoa, what a cool game in this. What is it? What cool game. I'll stay. And I'm gonna stay here and watch this phone. It's so cool. Whoa, where's the skate? Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I'll take the accessory shelf back. His phone. Can I sit now? No, you could sit on the cone pool. No. Queenie's crying? Or maybe it's Starry crying. I need to go for a pacifier to come down. Pacifier. There is my pacifier for the glitter kids because they always don't rub. He don't want to sit. Oh, see, let her sit. Take it off. Okay. What? Accessory shelf. Don't be worried. I'm just gonna help you. Now away. Ouch. There you go. I'll put this comb right here. And put this little stone over there. And yeah. Guys, I gotta sleep a moment, please. Elsie, I got an idea. What is it, Elsie? Let's make the pool interesting. How kind of interesting? We pour some lunch and then we eat it. Oh, that's a cool idea. So this is the kitchen. And now let's take this one. It's on the side. And this water cup. So we can have water. And this tea. And this little crook out there. And this banana. That is a gift. Red area. Even way, but I just don't watch us. I'm gonna take the idea. Rainbow dash. lunch is here, so we can add it. And Mommy's gonna be afraid. Let's put some first the water. Now the tea. Alright, let's take all the lunch and put it back. There is it. And by the way, gonna bring some of the food. There it is. Let me take some of my food. Yeah. But this pack is. Let's mix it. I'll take my cone and back. Interesting. Mix. Let me take it back. Let me take this back. And now let's do. Okay. Yeah. What? Like having it? Oh, my leg is never gonna back up. But that's. Let's go. Put it back. Yeah. Cool. Good. Oh, Queensy, what outfit you wearing with queen hair? I have it like this. What? I mean, wait. Yeah. Well, this is my day, so that's why I'm wearing. It's Monday. It got Monday sticker on it. That's why it's Monday. Come on, let's go. Bye, guys. See you from the next channel. I hope you watch all day my videos and subscribe. Bye, everyone.